Ang sabi, you must know that the wounds that I received on my body were 5,455. And therefore I tell you that all those in memory of them would recite 15 Our Fathers and 15 Hail Marys within a year. Ito na yung promises. Ang promises ay sa 15 Our Fathers at 15 Hail Marys within a year. Shall take away 15 souls in purgatory. And number 2, shall be relieved from the penance that should be done for so many mortal sins. And besides, number 3, shall obtain the grace and confirmation of good works. So, ito po yung mga promises 15 holy souls from purgatory, penance para sa mga mortal sins, at mag-obtain ng grace ng confirmation of good works. Number 4, also whoever recites during 1 whole year these prayers, I will give them 15 days beforehand my body to eat, and he will not be hungry, and my blood to drink, and he will not be thirsty. Ayun, ito ang promise of happy death.